Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iga Mawarni. Welcome to my vlog. Today I will explore one of the amazing historic place in Ternate, North Maluku. Located in the middle of rice, sea or space, Ternate has a rich and interesting history. Here we will visit Toluco Fort, a fort built by the Portuguese in the 16th century. Let's take a closer look at the history and beauty of this place. Get ready for anxiety adventure. Okay, Ternate, a small island in North Maluku, has been known as a space trading center since the 16th century. The abundance of guavas and nutmeg attracts the attention of many nations, including the Portuguese, who first arrived in 1512. The instability trading posts and fought to control the space trade. However, not long after, the Dutch also came and competed with the Portuguese in 1605. The Dutch succeeded in controlling Ternate, making it one of their main bases in the space region for centuries. Ternate has witnessed various conflicts and alliances between colonial and local kingdoms, with a rich history, heritage tourism destination for travelers who want to dive into the history and culture of Indonesian space. In the middle of the vast blue ocean, the island of Ternate stands majestically surrounded by towering volcanoes. In the 15th century, this island was not only known for its natural beauty, but also for the treasures hidden in its soil, cloves and to nutmeg. Cloves, with their small, deep, feed flowers, grow abundantly in local gardens. Their strong aroma and speech flavor make them a highly prized commodity. Meanwhile, nutmeg with its bright yellow nuts and sweet, scalded out skin is a particular draw from traders from afar. When Portuguese colonial first arrived in Ternate, they were captivated by this natural wealth. They saw great potential in the speech trade. In a short time, they instantly hit trading posts and fought to score this research. However, their arrival was not without conflict. The Dutch, who also wanted a share of this wealth, soon followed in the footsteps of the Portuguese. Wars and alliances ensued between the colonial and local kingdom. The native people of Ternate fought to maintain their land and the natural wealth that had been part of their life for centuries. Nevertheless, cloves and nutmeg remained a magnet for colonists who were willing to sail the ocean to obtain this space. Over time, cloves and nutmeg have become not only symbols of Ternate wealth but also a culture heritage that bears its people. To this day, the aroma of this space still tempts visitors to come on this island, creating a bridge between the past and the present. In 1540, Francisco Serrao, a Portuguese explorer, extensively hit Toluco Fort in Ternate as a stranger trading post. The main purpose of building this fort was to secure the trade route for valuable space, especially clover and nutmeg which grew abundantly on this island. Toluca Fort was building on a hill, providing a vantage point to monitor the movement of ships around Ternate's waters as one of their fort ostensibly by the Portuguese in the Maluku region. Toluca became a symbol of their power and influence in the space trade. Over time, over time, this fort not only foundation as a place to store merchandise but also a center of government and defense. With its study, architecture, and strategy location, Toluca Fort played an important role in the history of Ternate and was a silent witness to various important events during the colonial period. Turning the architecture sorry, turning to the architecture and location of Toluca Fort, we can see how strategy the positive of this fort is situated in a towering hill. Toluca Fort offers stunning view not only of the city of Ternate but also of the surrounding waters. From here, visitors can enjoy a beautiful panorama that combines blue sky, sparkling sea, and green mountains that surround the island. The architecture of this fort reflects the Portuguese style of defense at the time. Its thick walls are made of local volcanic stone designed to withstand enemy attack. Fort has several watchtowers that allow guards to monitor activity around the port and trade routes. In addition to its function as a defensive fort, its design also creates open space that can be used for various community activity. Today, visitors can not only explore this historic structure but also enjoy the beauty of the surrounding nature. With a with a combination of solid architect, architect, architecture and charming location, Toluca Fortress is not only a witness to history but also an interesting tourism destination for anyone who want to experience the charm of Ternate. Toluca Fortress has an important role as a supervisor of trade in Ternate waters, which is strategy position on a hill is for a low guard to monitor passing ships, both those carrying local and foreign merchandise. This function is a very vital considering that Ternate is a center of the trade in high sought after space such as Scolfes and Nutmeg. With the fort, the Portuguese could control trade activity.